HTML attributes. It provides additional information about HTML elements. So basically, all the elements have attributes. They are written in form of these. It just looks like elements itself because there's the same opening tag, but the thing is there is no closing tag in this. It's just opening and it just describes it directly. So you can do it with adding in element, or you can add it separately, like image. As you can see, this is an image, this is a separate thing. And you can even add videos inside, or you can add a anchor link. So what does anchor link do? So there's you might have seen something like this, where you press on a button and it redirects you to a YouTube video. How is that happening? So that is what anchor link does. You put a, you add a href or to where it want it to be directed, and then that's it. You just leave the button in a format that I'll explain you how that works later. So when you do that, it will automatically get redirected to a page. It's actually that simple, and there are multiple stuff. So you can style an entire CSS just in HTML. You don't have to create another CSS page. I'll get to that while we're starting CSS, because it's not that necessary right now. But that's what it's like, internal CSS inside a HTML. You can just do it with HTML attribute. And there are so many things like this. It's not just these. I'll start showing you those while we're using it, so it'll be easier for you to understand. Make sure you check out my entire playlist so you understand the entire concept of HTML. Thank you.